Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, all. If you please can hear me. Hello. Okay. Then in the previous class, we are discussing about the pumping lemma. And today we will go for its application. Okay, before starting, revising the previous class, what are the conditions of pumping lemma? Akon, can you answer me? What are the three conditions of pumping lemma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the three conditions of pumping lemma?
Sir, I'm unable to recall.
Okay, Trivikram, can you answer me? What are the conditions of pumping lemma? Nihar, can you answer? What are the
Yes, sir.
conditions of pumping lemma?
Yes, sir. So first,
Okay,
first one is mod of y
okay,
is
tell me.
greater than 0.
Okay,
Second
you
one
have
is
left
mod of
something. You have left something. You have to start from the condition that if there is a string, and from that condition you will start. If
so
there
if
is
there
a
is a string,
regular,
we
if if there is a string W belongs to a regular language L, where L is a regular language, and mod of W is less than equal to the pumping length, that is, let I am saying N, and the pumping length is the number of states required to implement the language using finite automata. In that case, W can be divided into three parts, X, Y, and Z. And it will hold three conditions. The condition number one is mod of Y. Tell me,
greater than 0.
greater than 0 or greater than equal to 1. That is, Y can't be epsilon. Second condition,
Mod of xy is less than equals to n.
mod of Xy will be less than equal to N. And what is the third condition and the most important condition?
So x y to the power I z is
For
in
all
L.
I, what is I? For all I greater than
Loop.
equal to
I
0,
greater than 0.
X, Y to the power I, Z belongs to the language. These are the three conditions of pumping lemma. And if any language fails to satisfy any one of these conditions, then the language is not regular. If language L fails to satisfy any one of these conditions,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah,
Sir, please, sir, allow people they are waiting outside.
yeah. Just a second. Then the language is not regular. These are the things that we have studied in the previous class. Already we have gone for this. I think the concept is recalled. तुम लोगों को याद आ गया? Hello.
Yes, sir.
These are the conditions that we have gone for in the previous class. And from this point of view, we have to prove some language is regular or not. That means based upon these cases, we have to prove that a particular language is regular or not regular. Okay. Have you remembered, or I will repeat it again? This is the pumping lemma that we have already studied in the previous class. Nikita, is it recalled?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means I don't have to repeat it again. Then I'm going for the problem solving, that is, we are just in a case where we are proving that a language L is equal to 0 power n, 1 power n, such that n greater than equal to 1 is not regular. This is the case we are proving. And I think all of you have written that I have gone up to the first case. I have gone up to the first case. I think I have proved. Yes or no? कहाँ तक पढ़ाया था कल?
Yes, sir.
ये
Yes,
ये
sir.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया था कि नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we have divided the strings into three parts.
Okay, I'm again starting. If you have written the things, then it's okay. Otherwise, not. Then we are going for three cases. Case 1. Here what I am saying, the case 1 is, whenever we are dividing W into three parts, X, Y, Z, that is W is divided into X, Y, Z three parts, where X is a substring, Y is a substring, and Z is a substring. The first case I am going for, case 1, is the string Y constructed by using only zeros. It means Y is equal to 0 to the power K for some K greater than equal to 1. for some k greater than equal to 1. This is the first case I am considering. Sorry. Then whenever I am going for this case, I told you this is the first case. That now moving next, what I have to go for? We have to go for the last condition of pumping lemma. X y to the power I z is how much? 0 to the power n minus k, 0 to the power k to the power I, and 1 to the power n. Yes or no? Or I can take any value of I. I am taking the I value is 0 here. I is equal to 0. What we get? What we get? X y to the power I z is how much? 0 to the power n minus k, 0 to the power k, whole power 0 and 1 to the power n, that is equal to 0 power n minus k and 1 to the power n, because 0 to the power k to the power 0 is 0 to the power 0, that is epsilon. Yes or no? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Which is a contradiction. Why this is a contradiction? Why this is a contradiction? Because what is the reason?
The
0
power
to
of
the
government
power
was
n minus k, 1 to the power n
not
does not belongs to L, as number of zeros are
not equal to 1. Number of 1.
less than the number of ones. Got it? For k greater than or equal to 1. As the k is equal to 1 minimum, that's why this is a contradiction. Hence, the language is not regular. Hence, the language L is equal to 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, such that n greater than or equal to 1 is not regular. This is one way by which you can prove. This is one way by which we can prove the language is not regular. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
All of you understood? All of you understood? This is the case number 1, where I am saying y is consisting of only zeros. Then I am moving for case number 2. I am moving for case number 2. You can go for any case. I am showing you how a particular one can be solvable in multiple number ways. Here I am saying the string y constructed by only once. It means क्या है इसका मतलब? y is equal to 1 to the power k, any number of ones, क्योंकि मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्या, y is having only one. For some k greater than or equal to 1. That means if I'll divide here, it will look like this, yes or no? X, it is having only 0, because I am saying that y is having only 1. And here, this is z, which will be 1 to the power n minus k. That is for all k greater than or equal to 1. What is x? 0 power n. What is y? 1 power k. What is z? It is 1 to the power n minus k. Here, mod of y greater than 0 and mod of xy less than or equal to n. Yes or no? As usual before, I have done in the same way. राजेश पढ़ी। क्या होगा एबी का पावर स्क्वायर लिखा तो स्ट्रिंग क्या निकलेगा? तो नहीं, मुझे प्रेजेंट कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ बोलो एबी का स्क्वायर को कैसे लिखूंगा, एबी टू दी पावर 2, इसका मतलब क्या है? मैं अभी का नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, पिछले चीज का पूछ रहा हूँ। एबी का पावर 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रत्युष, भाग गया, ठीक है। कौन बोल सकता है भाई सेल्फ?
Yes,
एबी
sir.
टू
Sir,
दी
ये
पावर
होगा.
2
ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर।
No, sir. Sir, ये होगा.
स्क्वायर भी होगा, ये क्या मैथमेटिक्स है? मैं स्ट्रिंग में पूछ रहा हूँ।
Sir, ये होगा O to the power J 1K, then O to the power J 1K.
वेरी गुड। मैं इतने देर से वही सुनना चाहता था। श्रुति नम्रा, शिखर, सार्थक, शीर्षक,
सर
सामंतराय। हाँ
ये
सार्थक,
सर
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
हाँ
एबी
सर
का पावर, एबी का पावर 2 होगा तो क्या होगा?
सर ए बी इंटू ए बी।
एबी एबी शीर्षक, तो यहाँ 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 पे क्या होगा आंसर?
यस सर।
तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा? अरे एबी का पावर 2 का मतलब ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर नहीं होता है, ये मैथमेटिक्स नहीं है, स्ट्रिंग अरिथमेटिक है। ये होता है एबी एबी। तो उस तरह से अगर देखूंगा 0 पावर जे 1 पावर के का पावर 2, तो इसका मतलब ये होगा 0 पावर जे 1 पावर के फॉलोड बाय 0 पावर जे 1 पावर के। ये स्ट्रिंग 2 बार कॉन्केटिनेट होगा, उसके बाद आएगा 1 पावर n माइनस के। अगर इसे सिंप्लीफाई और करना है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ। दिस इज 0 पावर n 1 पावर k 0 पावर z 1 पावर n। This is a contradiction. Why? This is a contradiction. Why?
Doesn't belong to the language L.
So because we have assumed one thing and we got the opposite one.
No. How you got the opposite? Tell me that. It does not belongs to L as
As after 1
The
0
number
is getting repeated.
according to the language, ones will follow the zeros, but zeros cannot follow ones. लैंग्वेज क्या था? 0 पावर n 1 पावर n, तो 0 के बाद जाके 1 आएगा। मगर यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है देखो, as क्या होगा? once गलत लिखा, zeros can't follow ones। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? I have taken j and k greater than equal to 1, हाँ कि नहीं? तो यहाँ पे अगर देखूंगा तो क्या मिलेगा? 1 के बाद 0 आ जा रहा है, जो कि मेरे लैंग्वेज में नहीं है। मुझे 0 के बाद 1 चाहिए, मगर यहाँ पे 1 के बाद 0 आ रहा है। समझ पा रहे हो? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that's why this is not in the language. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं इसे बंद कर रहा हूँ. Then we'll go for another question. That means there are many languages which can be proved as non-regular. Then how to go for the different format cases? Let I am going for some language like a to the power n, b to the power 2n. Going for some language like L is equal to a power n, b power 2n, such that n greater than or equal to 0. And what I have to prove? I have to prove that this is not regular. Then how to do it? Then how to do it? Let
First assume that it is regular.
L is regular. This is my first step. Going for solution. Then what I have to do? Then what I have to do? Let there exist a finite automata that implements L with n number of states. That is, pumping length becomes how much?
And
N. Moving for step number 3. Considering string W is equal to जो था वही ले लिया a to the power n, b to the power 2n. Mod of W is equal to how much? Mod of W is how much? अरे इसका लेंथ कितना होगा इस स्ट्रिंग का? अंजलि गौरव?
3L.
Yes, sir. 3n.
And it will be n plus 2n. Number of A is equal to n. Number of B is equal to 2n. तो टोटल कितने एलिमेंट रहे यहाँ पे? 3n, which will be less than pumping length. Yes or no? Which will be less than pumping length. My condition is going on. Now I have to divide it. Now I have to divide it. I have to divide this W into 3 parts, that is X, Y, and Z. In the previous question, I have shown you 3 ways. You can go for any one. In examination, don't use all the ways. You can go for any one. Now dividing this W into 3 parts X, Y, and Z. Let I am dividing like this. A to the power n minus 2. This is A to the power 2. And this is B to the power 2n. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
By combining all these 3, I am getting here
W.
x is equal to a power n minus 2, y is equal to a to the power 2, and z is equal to b to the power 2n. And w is equal to x, y, z, that is equal to a to the power n minus 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 2n, and this is combination is a to the power n, b to the power 2n. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Here instead of 2, if you need, you can also write it. I have written 2. You just remove it. I am removing it. Wait. I can write it. क्या लिख सकता हूँ?
K.
K. It's also right. I can go for K. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
For example, I have shown you 2. But in universal way, why I will fix it 2? I'll go for making it any value. No tension at all. Okay? That means by this I can write this is equal to n minus k. This is a power k. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
And here for all k greater than equal to 1. I've got 4. You may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything you can say. And here mod of y greater than 0 and mod of xy less than equal to n. The condition is satisfied. Similarly, I will go for all I greater than equal to 0, x, y power I, z must belongs to L. Here you can give also belongs to symbol. I have written in language. Now, for I values, you can check. For I equal to, simply you can go for 0 or 1 or 2, whatever it may be, but result will be 10. I'm not saying take it 0 always. Let I am going for 0, then it will be a to the power n minus k, a to the power k power 0, b to the power 2n, which will be equal to a to the power n minus k, b to the power 2n. It's a contradiction. Why? Why it is a contradiction? As a to the power n minus k, b to the power 2n does not belongs to L. That is 2 into n minus k is not equal to 2n. 2 into n minus k is not equal to 2n. Got it? Hello? Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hence, this is not regular. Hence, L is equal to a to the power n, b to the power 2n, such that n greater than equal to 0 is not clear. Here I have gone for I equal to 0. Also, you can go for other ways. I am showing you. Let for I equal to 2, it will not be proved. For I equal to 2, it can be proved. For I equal to 1, it cannot be proved. तो ये क्या होगा I equal to 2 के लिए a to the power n minus k, a to the power k power 2 b to the power 2n. तो क्या होगा ये a to the power n minus k, a power k, a power k, b to the power 2n, and it will be a to the power n plus k, b to the power 2n, and here also 2 into n plus k is not equal to 2n. You can also prove. Getting what I am saying? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
means here I have shown you for a I equal to 0. You can go for any other value of I. That I am saying you. I am saying you that you can go for any other value of I also. Hello? Is it clear? Is it clear? You can go for 0, 2 at a time. It is not true. Either you go for 0 or you can go for 2. I am saying that here I have taken I equal to 0 and here you can take any value of I. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, moving for another question. Let L is equal to a to the power n square such that n greater than equal to 0 is not regular. Can you prove it? Here you can check for n equal to 0. For n equal to 0, n square is equal to 0. N equal to 1, n square is equal to 1. N is equal to 2, n square is equal to 4. N equal to 3, n square is equal to 9. So the same language can be represented in another way. क्या लिखा जा सकता है इसे? बोल सकते हो? Getting it?
A to the power 2 to the power n.
Length of the string is a perfect square. इसे ऐसे भी दिया जा सकता है. Prove that the language L is equal to length of the string is a perfect square over the alphabet set sigma is equal to A is not regular. Getting it? Getting
Yes,
it?
yes, sir.
Then how to prove it? How to prove it? The first step is assume L is regular. A finite automaton implements L in n number of states, that is pumping length is equal to n. उसके बाद क्या करूंगा? How to divide it? How to divide it? Tell me. I need only that much. What is the process of dividing it? Now I'll go for the string W. The string W is a to the power n square. Let I am going for it. Mod of W will be equal to how much?
2n, sir.
N square, which will be greater than or equal to n. Now next step is I have to divide it. Then how to divide this W into x, y, z? नहीं बोल सकते? Let this is p square minus p. This will be a. This will be a to the power p minus 1. Or also I can write this is a to the power k. This is a to the power p minus k. And sorry, just a second, I am going for it. Instead of p, I am writing n square. I have taken na. N square minus n, a to the power k, a to the power n minus k. Is it correct now? What is the total length of W? What is total length of W?
Length
A is equal to the power n minus k. This is x. Y is equal to a to the power k. Z is equal to a to the power n square minus n. W will be equal to a to the power n minus k, a to the power k, a to the power n square minus n. That is equal to a to the power n square. Yes or no? Is it correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong?
Correct. Sir.
Sir, but how you
That
find
means
this
this is the
Z?
not getting.
Then how you find this term Z?
Actually, what I need, वहीं पे तो चीज है. What I need that this should be how much? This should be how much?
But it should be less than equal to n.
This will be less than equal to n. That's why I have taken it n. Understood? This should be less than equal to n. That's why I have taken it n.
Yes,
And if I will take it n, xy is equal to n, then z will be
yes, I got
z
it.
will be
Minus n.
n square minus n. Understood?
Yes, sir, yes.
Then if I'll go for now for I or for all I, now for all I greater than equal to 0, x, y power I, z belongs to L. Yes or no? That I have to prove. That I have to prove. यहाँ पे लिख भी देता हूँ. Now we have to show that for all I greater than equal to 0 x y to the power I z belongs to L. ये शो करना है, हाँ कि नहीं? अरे हाँ कि नहीं? Considering I can take a value of I. I will take a value of I. Then how I can take it? How I can take it? Tell me. What is the way to prove? नहीं होगा?
So 0 ले लेंगे.
Yes sir, 0 ले लेंगे.
0 ले सकते हो, 1 ले सकते हो, 2 ले सकते हो, कुछ भी ले सकते हो. मैं 2 ले रहा हूँ. Considering I equal to 2. तो क्या होगा?
A to the power n
What you will
minus
take, that is up to you. A to the power n minus k,
k,
a to the power k to the power 2, then a to the power
n
n
minus
square
n square
minus n.
minus n is equal to a to the power n minus k, a
K
to the
into
power 2k, a to the power n square minus n. It will be a to the power n plus k, a to the power n square minus n. तो क्या होगा?
a to the power n square plus 1.
It will be 1 no k, a to the power
square.
n square plus k.
Which is not a perfect sum.
Considering अगर k को मैंने 1 ले लिया, it will be a to the power n square plus 1. हाँ कि नहीं? होगा कि नहीं? अरे होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes.
Then मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ? This is a contradiction as this is a rule in mathematics I am writing. N square less than n square plus 1 less than n plus 1 whole square. This is a rule in mathematics previously existing. And hence, and so, a to the power n square plus 1 does not belongs to L. Hence, L is equal to a to the power n square such that n greater than equal to 0 is not. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt? Any more doubt?
No sir.
I can prove it also in different ways. I can prove it also in different ways. Then how I can prove it? In some other way, anyone can say?
You can take I equal to 0.
Hmm?
So by taking I equal to 0.
By taking I equal to 0. I don't think so. अगर 0 लोगे तो क्या होगा? देखो n minus k n square minus n.
Yes, so it will be a to the power n square minus k.
N square minus k.
Yes, sir.
Then can you here also you have to take a value of k. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बिना k के वैल्यू लिए प्रूफ कर सकते हो? प्रूफ कर सकते हो क्या?
इसे अगर पावर 1 ले लें तो I equal to 1, तो k का वैल्यू
हम्म?
कट जाएगा. If I equal to 1,
हम्म.
then k will be cancelled out.
No, what I'm saying, without taking that k, can you prove it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's also possible. Then if possible, then how to prove it? How to prove it? Simply here, whatever I have written, in this place I can write. What I can write? While I am dividing it without considering k, as I have taken before, I'll take it. अभी तो बोला था ये ले सकता हूँ. अरे ले सकता हूँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Why
Yes, sir.
I'll go for this k? Why I'll go for this k? I'll go for directly it is 1. It will be like this. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be now n square plus 1. And directly, instead of going for all these things that I have written, I can directly write here. Here, what I am writing, I am removing this also line. Just a second. That means what I am saying, there are multiple ways how you can represent it. And any way you have to prove it is wrong. समझ पा रहे हो? A to the power n square plus 1, which will be less than equal to, यहाँ पे दे रहा हूँ, पहले लिख रहा हूँ, n square plus 2n plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, I have left something. Less than a to the power n square plus 2n plus 1. ये इससे छोटा होगा कि नहीं? That is, it is less than a to the power. Getting it? Getting it? n square plus 1 is always less than n square plus 2n plus 1, हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर ये 2n square plus 2n plus 1 जो लिखा हूं, इससे ये वैल्यू छोटा हुआ तो इससे भी छोटा होगा कि नहीं? ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? n plus 1 होल स्क्वायर का, n स्क्वायर प्लस 2n प्लस 1। तो ये लाइन भी तुम्हें और नहीं चाहिए होगा, क्योंकि यहीं पे तुमने लिख दिया वो चीज। मतलब लिखने का स्टाइल तुम्हारा है। What I want to say, how to write, that is yours, but you have to prove. And the main thing here is breaking the W into these three parts. Getting what I am saying? Breaking the W into these three parts is the major thing during pumping lemma. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Then I think the time is over. Too late. It's
Yes, sir.
मुझे पता नहीं टाइम इतना हो गया।
कोई बात नहीं
Then
सर,
there
10
is
मिनट
a link.
ज्यादा हो गया सर।
मुझे पता नहीं चला, टाइम देखा नहीं है। ठीक है, there is a link in your chat box that is for the today's exam. Please go for it. Please go for it.
सर आज अटेंडेंस मत लीजिए सर, जो लोग एग्जाम दे रहे हैं उन लोग को अटेंडेंस दे दीजिएगा। हम लोग जा रहे हैं दूसरा क्लास ज्वाइन करने, ठीक है?
तो एक काम करो, वैसा नहीं, तुम लोग चैट बॉक्स में जो लोग हो एक एक मैसेज छोड़ दो, कौन प्रेजेंट है, सिर्फ रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर छोड़ दो, अटेंडेंस नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है? हेलो,
ओके ओके सर, ओके सर,
leave your
ओके सर, ओके।
registration number in the chat box and leave. Thank you, have a nice day. पर एग्जाम खत्म करके जाना, एग्जाम नहीं दोगे तो अटेंडेंस नहीं है।
सर एग्जाम 3 बजे देंगे।
अभी दे दो, 2 मिनट तो लगेगा। ठीक है, मैं
तो
3 बजे
बोला
तक
क्लास
ओपन
ज्वाइन
रखा।
करना है।
ठीक है, मैं 3 बजे तक ओपन रखा हूँ, 3 बजे के बाद मत बोलना, 3:30 को बंद कर दूंगा। ठीक है?
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे। लिंक रख लो, लिंक यहीं पे है, बिना लिंक रखे एग्जाम नहीं दे सकते।
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.